Welcome back, Crammers. Here is a rhombus. Work out the value for x. Give a reason for your answers. We can see that this is given as 122 degrees and that this line is parallel to this line, which means we can continue this line, and that means that this is also 122 degrees. And since this straight line is made up of 122 and x, we know that a straight line is 180 degrees. So we can simply write this as 180 is equal to 122 plus x. We can bring 122 to the other side. We have 180 minus 122 is equal to x. We can then use our calculator here. We have 180 minus 122 gives us 58 degrees. Thanks for watching. Cram then scram.